Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Again with you, Omar from Raspberry Motorsports. Today we have a 2019 Toyota Corolla LE, and we're going to be showing you the step-by-step on how to remove and replace the airbag module. Now we have already dropped another video about how to remove and replace the front seat belt, whether for the driver or the passenger side. It's the same procedure, and just like we did with that one, the first thing we do is we disconnect the battery because we're going to be messing with airbags. So let's go ahead and jump straight to that. All right, like I was saying, the first thing we do is we disconnect the battery. I disconnected the ground cable, loosened the 10mm nut that's holding it there, and then I wrapped it around the towel just so that it doesn't touch the body and close the circuit on us or create a short circuit or anything. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the airbag control module. All right, so here on the driver's side, as you see, the panel over here is already removed. It's held on with three tabs right there. I just went ahead and pulled that off. Now the module is supposed to be over there. I have already removed it. This is what the module looks like. Those are the connectors on it, and you can see the connectors are tucked in right there. Now the connector type on these is there is a tab on the side. Let me see if I can get my hand in there and show you guys. Gotta make sure I'm in the right angle. All right, so that's your connector, right? So you push that tab, you slide this. So this is supposed to be pushed in. This is supposed to be like pushed in like this way, this level with a yellow line. But when you to remove it, you push that tab, and then this white tab over here, you slide it like quarter of a circle. So that's the end position for it. And once you install it, you can push this in and lock it in place, so that way it's straight. And that's how your connectors are on the module. Now the module itself is held on with about 3 bolts. All of them are 12mm or 13mm, I'm pretty sure, but that's what the bolts looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this and kind of show you what I'm talking about. So our battery disconnected already, so let me get the camera at a better angle and I'll show you what we're gonna do. Right, I went ahead and removed the cover. The cover is held on over there, right there, and then it's held on to the tab up top over here. So I just slide it off from there. So that's the upper tab and that's the middle tab, and then those are the 3 tabs that goes on the side over there. So with this out of the way, I can probably show you guys better what we're gonna do. So let me see if I can get the phone in a good angle. Right, so this is the tab on the side. As I just said, you have 2 tabs on the side and then 2 on the end. That goes right there and there. And now you can still see our module from here. I'm gonna go ahead and try and put that nut in place, or bolt. I'm gonna start it with my hand. It's a little bit of a tight fit, like I said. Just take your time with it and no rush. You definitely do not want to mess up the pins on those connectors. And then the last bolt, I really can't see it from here, but I can feel where it's at. I know we have 2 bolts on the side, so there is one there, and then one on the other side. So let me go ahead and get that back in. Where is it at? Right there. All right, so those are your bolts. Make sure they are centered. Make sure they're in the right spot. So we have 1 bolt on the side and the other 2 on the other side. So just like that. There we go. I'm gonna start these up with my hand. And on the other side, there is a similar cover, same idea. It's got 2 tabs or 2 or 3 tabs on the side, and then the other tab on the other side. So let me show you. All right, sorry about the interruption over there, but that's where your last bolt is gonna go. Make sure it's centered, like you don't wanna go at this with the power tool. Try to get it in with your hand first. Make sure it's aligned with the thread, and then start it with your fingers, like I said. And once you get that in, just tie all of them, and then this cover will basically hooks up on there. Will hook up right there. Oh, sorry. Let me make sure I got it right. There you go. Your cover is gonna hook up right there at the end, just right there. And then that's all. You do the same thing on both sides, and that sums up the removal and replacement on the SRS module on these cars. Now be aware, 2020 and up, SRS modules are locked up by Toyotas, so you cannot clear them. You cannot clear the crash data. You'll have to get a new one and then get it reprogrammed. This one in particular is a 2019, so we don't have to do that. We were able to reset it and clear the crash data, and now we're gonna go ahead, like you saw, we just installed it and the airbag light should be off. If you guys have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comment section below. If not, make sure you like and follow for more.